does not make it any easier, Michel.
I will pay when the internet has been invented. I swear, until that day, I shall not pay a penny.
Then I shall not spray you, and I shall not shampoo, and I shall not massage the shampoo into your head, and then I shall not rinse, and I shall not go chasing you around this establishment.
No! Then I must invent the internet myself. I shall see you in 5 years, when the internet has been made.
Fine, au revoir.
Yeah, so I was the guy who did the directing for this movie. I wanted to make it about food. I am all about food myself. I do like a bit of spaghetti bolognese and a bit of garlic bread with it. Often do like to, you know, the Tesco's ones, where you just put it in the microwave for like a minute, and then you get the easy pasta. It's only a minute, it just goes in the water. It's so fucking easy.
Is it true that the idea for this movie came because you only had profiteroles left in your freezer?
Yeah, right. And because I was making the rest of the meal, yeah, I ate the profiteroles first before the rest of the meal, yeah. And naturally, it suddenly came to me like a light bulb above my head, right? I'm going to make a fucking movie about having dessert first. Yeah.
How many profiteroles were featured in the movie?
17. The representative of the 17 aspects of character. Number 1. Embarrassment. Number 2. I don't have to tell you the rest. Everyone knows them. My favourite thing in the world is food, and I wanted every scene to feature at least one item of food.
How do you explain the hairdressing?
I begged the producer not to put that scene in. It did not have any meatballs in it, right? But he put it in anyway. Yeah. Only after I'd noticed the error. You know what? If I remade it now, I'd do CGI, right? Put some CGI meatballs in there to complete the, you know, food ensemble that is the movie. Yeah.
I believe you also invented a brand new dessert during the process of making this movie. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
That's right. I call it Mega Fuckstead. It's custard, profiteroles. Right? Oh wait. Fucking serious.
Mega Fuckstead.
Right? Yeah, and a block of ice. So.
Today on the news. Go, go! It's a go!
What is she wrote?
Room service. Great. Is my mega fuckstead ready? Could you talk me through this again? The menu wasn't totally clear.
Custard.
Custard. Right.
Profiteroles.
Great.
Block of ice.
Custard hot? Cold? I mean...
So you're choosing, sir. Usually hot. Customarily, to melt the iceberg.
Mega Fuckstead.
I left some of it solid for you, sir.
Thank you, that's great. That's great. That's just great.
You know, I used to own a restaurant.
You did?
Yeah.
What happened?
Busted me down.
They did?
Working in here, in this stupid old person's home.
I don't feel that good about it myself, you know. I'm only in my 50s. I don't really consider that old. I can still move around. Still give Evelyn a spanking every now and then, you know? Man, is there anything else on?
You know, if I had one more shot, I'd go back to that restaurant.
Yeah?
And I'd show everyone that dessert is not for after the meal. Boom. Right before.
Why don't you go back? Go back to that restaurant. Yeah, this is amazing.
You think?
I mean, I can't taste anything. I lost my taste buds in the accident.
I don't care. I'm selectively hearing.
But Megan Fuxton could change the world.
Yeah?
Yeah.
At the start of every meal.
At the start of every meal, Mega Fuxton. It's just the kind of thing you need to clear your palate. Just like to appetize your taste buds. Ready for the meal ahead. A real stodgy meal. It's what you need to enjoy the meal ahead. Fill up on profiteroles and custard and ice.
Can you help me?
No. I'm not allowed to leave.
Got your legs up.
No.
Darling, this is a great little restaurant. Last time I was here, it was a bit awkward, but I had a word, and they fired the chef.
I want to
Father,
sit
where?
here.
Father,
I want to sit here.
Father, you must sit near the table.
No, I want to sit here.
Fine, I'll move the table.
Excuse me. You seem to be moving the furniture.
My father wants to sit
I
there.
want to sit here.
I'm prepared to spend vast amount of money. If I could just move the table.
With like 1,000 francs. The currency we still use. I can pay you. Don't pay him. I will pay him. I will pay you. Do you have the internet? This is 1980. There is no internet. Well, then I will pay you when the internet has been created. This is ridiculous! Move the table back and sit down. I want to sit here. It is every French person's right to sit where they want to sit, and I wish to sit here.
Please.
You have been coming in here moving the furniture for years. From place to place. Does it matter where you sit and eat your food? Yes. The very first time I came into this restaurant in 1972, I sat here. I want to sit here. This is what it is about. It is about some kind of ideas that you have to relive your past memories. No, it is about the world. The world keeps on changing.
Father, please sit down!
Why must the world keep changing? This is a fact of life. No? This is how people have to do. Everyone changes. I'm sorry, sir. This is what life is about. Put the chair down. Put the chair down, sir. Stop. Stop. Put the chair down, sir. Put the chair down. It's not your fucking chair. Put the fucking chair down. Put it down, you fuck. I'm sorry, sir. No, it's not. It's fine. It will be okay. You have to accept the terms of life. I'm sorry.
I'd like the soup, please.
Sounds stupid, but I still miss Michelle. He used to come in here, moving the furniture around. Using water all over the floor. Not use the shampoo.
Hello. I was just wondering if I could have a quick wash and blow dry.
Of course. Yes, of course.
I'm going to a party, you see.
You have said exactly the right place.
Oh, is this wrong?
No, that is perfect. It is perfect. It's just unusual. So, throw your hair into the sink, into the drainage system and away. The floor is completely dry.
You've got just the right temperature there. It's marvellous, marvellous.
Shampoo into your scalp, yes.
Oh, oh. Oh, it feels so good.
There's no shampoo.
You hold it for a bit, my arm, thank you.
There's a little bit on my hand, but I'm going to wash it off. Where's the shampoo?
The way you talk when you do, it's very reassuring.
Yes. It's just, I'm surprised. It's been a long time since I've done this like properly. I suppose. Everybody says water everywhere.
No, it says established on your shop window. It says established 1842.
That was my father and my father's father before him. Yes, and I never even got this far. The towel, I like to towel dry first. Then if you could come over to the dryer, which is here, there's a chair right there.
How long will it take?
It will take just a few minutes, I think. I mean, to be honest, this has never been used before.
Well, I'm proud to be your first.
I think that is done.
Ooh.
This was the smoothest haircut. Well, not a haircut, hair wash.
How much will that?
That is 8 francs. 8 francs. What we would say if we were speaking in French.
And we'll take 10 and keep it for yourself. Thank you very much.
Feels really The phone is ringing. Hello?
Hello,
Who is this?
this is Michel.
Michel. Just tell you what has happened. I have just washed the lady's hair. And look, the floor it is dry, the shampoo is back in the bottle. The waste products and dirty water from the shampooing has gone down the drain.
And
I used the dryer for crying out loud.
And you are pleased with yourself?
I'm very pleased.
You are a pig.
Why?
It is the most un-French thing to finish someone's haircut.
What? This is what I've been dreaming of my whole life, and finally it has happened.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy with your stupid English customer?
Yes, I am as happy as I have ever been.
Then there is no point of me calling.
Okay, goodbye, Michel. Goodbye. Hello?
This is your friend, Mark. The internet has just been invented.
Let me get the book. I will find out how much Michel owes me. Beep, 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 beep.
How much is it?
Oh, hello.
I didn't hang up.
Oh, I don't know why. I just dialed random numbers.
But I meant to hear the
Wait, I will play
the
I
amount.
will play a tune. I will play a tune. Do you recognize it?
It is sweet French music to my ears.
He owes me 1 million francs.
Oh my God, you will be rich.
Yes.
How long have you been cutting his hair?
I've never cut it.
Well, he always promises to pay.
Always promises to pay.
That is insane. Okay, well, I just wanted to call to celebrate anyway.
Okay, d'accord.
Enjoy
Bye,
using
bye.
it's a new frontier.
Bye.
Don't you recognize me?
Yes. I'd really like to order some food, please. Perhaps a dessert to start?
Yes. Finally understand. Don't resist.
I can walk.
Okay.
Would you like a foxted? I have to feed it to you again?
No. You're just having trouble seeing. It's fine.
It's like this. You take the spoon,
Yes.
and you dig it in.
Yes.
Okay, don't try and stop me. It goes in like this. Okay, you try to avoid the teeth, but you get and then you turn the spoon, use the tongue. Yes. Yes, eat. Eat. What's that noise? Like your sirens?
I called the police.
What do you mean you called the police?
Before I came.
You were meant to understand.
No, I will never understand.
I've got a restaurant to run.
Dessert comes last.
Excuse me, this is the French police?
Yes.
The gendarmes.
Yes, it's him. He's force feeding me dessert before I've had my soup.
It is meant to be. This is the way it is meant to be.
What is this?
Just a chair.
And what is it doing here?
You're kidding me? You're kidding me? Put the fucking chair down! What's wrong with the fucking chair? What are you doing?
It's too far from the table. How can I eat my fucked heart?
It's not your chair to move.
I can't
Even
even
if you are gendarme.
I can't even get the spoon.
Of course you can't, you're too far.
It's a stupid restaurant.
Are you not going to arrest him?
I see no.
Once he moves the chair back.
I see only chairs in wrong places. A little bit taboo, a little bit on French, but not a crime. Enjoy your fucked heart.
Put the fucking chair back.
Hey! What? What did you say?
Put the chair back.
No, you said something else.
Put the fucking chair back.
Yes, you said fucking. This is a crime.
You're going to fucking arrest me?
Yes, I'm going to fucking arrest you.
You're not moving me! You're just doing this so you can move me from one place to another! I swear it!
You need to go
I
here.
don't know this is me to decide! What are you talking about? You're not going over there! I'm not moving! No way!
Now you need to go here.
What is it with you? Why?
This is an outrage.
Not in France. It's too fast here.
You happy now? No one to serve you your food?
I'm at a loss.
Exactly.
Things have changed so much here. You have English customers in French restaurants.
May I move?
You have people choosing when to move or where to move. People standing where they want to. Desserts that sound like swear words. It's a strange world we are living in. And so much has changed.
I don't understand. I just don't understand. Everything changes all the time. Even my accent. I don't understand.
I need to go back to my old hairdresser.
I can't think stay the same.
I need to go. I need to see him. I'm sure you'll resolve your story too.
Okay.
I'm back.
Michel, you are back. You owe me a million.
It's okay, I paid on PayPal already.
You paid on PayPal.
Wait. Thank God the internet has been
Well,
invented.
I'm going to sit by the dryer. Perhaps I will dry your hair first this time. Since in this city everything seems to be going crazy in the wrong order.
Yeah, I had
So
some...
no, the dessert of the haircut first.
Stop talking here. I need you to listen very carefully. Okay, listen. I want you to cut my hair.
Cut it, actually cut it.
Actually cut it.
Snip, snip.
Snip, snip is the best.
Scissors.
It's been around the floor for about 10 years now. It's time to cut
Will
it
you
off.
sit still?
I will sit still.
Did you pay me at the end?
I will
With
pay
the
you.
air and water and shampoo everywhere.
I will pay you in money.
In money?
In real bona fide money.
Okay.
I won't make up things like the internet, which is clearly an imaginary thing.
But you said you paid me on PayPal.
I made that up as well. It was just a part of the old routine.
Doing anything nice for the weekend, Sarah? The weekend?
Yes, I'm going to share a nice fucktard with my family.